Hello, in this video we're going to go over just a few definitions that you'll need to know about replacement sets, and relations, and just little tiny details before the lesson starts. A replacement set is, well, if you look at that first word replacement, that means you're going to put something for something else. So this just means we're going to substitute more than one thing. Okay, now let's talk about what a set is. A set in math is simply a group, and we normally use curly braces to enclose our groups, and you'll put like numbers in here. For example, a set of ordered pairs and the easiest way to write these braces, you would do an S and then a backwards S, and then you write whatever you need to inside, and then you do a backwards S and then an S, and there you go, there's your braces. Inside of these sets are elements. And what an element is it's simply a piece of a set. It's a single unit. Above it was one ordered pair. Or one number in the domain or the range. Those are elements. A solution set. Is the set with the right answer. I don't know what's going on with my pen, but you should be able to see pretty much what's going on here.